Hi guys, I have a beautiful project that I've done for Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and the kit that I used is the Grandma's Attic Journal kit, and it is such a shabby chic kit. The papers are absolutely gorgeous, and I just loved working with them. So it's like a little fold out. So on the back I've got a little pocket which I've got a little bit of seam binding on there. So let me just take this off. So I popped it all together with a little bit of tea stained lace and a little fabric flower there. So it opens up like this, so I hope you can see that. And then on the back I've got a little pocket here with some little journaling cards in here, and you get so many journaling cards and bits and pieces with it. It's just beautiful kit, really beautiful. So these are all ready to be journaled on. So they're all sewn around, and then I've backed them with tea stain paper, so you can do journaling and journaling. So really this kit is, it's more like sort of like a writing kit, I suppose. So it opens up like this, and then either side like that. So I'm hoping you can see that. I think so. So right, let's do the middle bit first. So what I've got, these are little flaps that I've done, and I've actually covered them with this beautiful papers in there. And I've made two little sort of flip pockets here that move about, and I've popped some journaling. Look at these lovely journaling cards, absolutely gorgeous. So what I've done, I've just popped those in little pockets. They're just like little pockets that I've made here with little hinges, paper hinges. So let's just pop those back in there. And then also on this one I've got two big journaling cards with that lovely postcard, so you can do lots and lots of writing on here. So they go in there. And then on this side I've got a little ribbon belly band here, and look at all these, absolutely gorgeous. These are all postcards and little bits and pieces. They're all backed, ready to be journaled on. And then I've got some tiny, I've got a little tiny pocket there, and some tiny little bits on in here. So these are nice. So if you've got a journal, you can just pop these into it, and you can make them as little tuck spots. So you could put that on a corner and just tuck something in the side of it. So I think they're lovely. And then we've got the top pocket. I'll just fold that up a minute. Lots of bits and pieces in here. And then we've got the beautiful hair here, which I've actually made into a pocket to pop more stuff in. So if I can take these out like that, stuck in there. Look, aren't they lovely? Absolutely gorgeous. Stuck those back in there like that. And these just flip up and flip down. And then in the bottom pocket, I've got like a little bottom pocket that you can see here. I've got one of the beautiful envelopes that come with the kit. And then these are the two little little money pockets here. So I've got little journaling card in there, look, which I've popped in there. And then I'll just pop that back into that envelope. And then these ones, I've printed them on a thicker card, and I've just made a little journaling card to go inside there. So that pops down and that pops in there. That can go in the bottom pocket. And then here I've got a little journal. It's gone a little bit flat, I think. So here's a lovely journal, and what I've made the journal out of are the papers. So they're like, it's almost like the book papers, which I've actually cut in half and made them as little journaling, as a little journal in here. And I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Just love the papers. Look at all these beautiful roses. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's a nice little journal here on there. So we pop that in there. Let's just wrap that around there and pop him back in his little pocket. And then on the middle bit, I've got these papers here, which are again the same papers that I used in the journal, which I've made into writing pages like this. So I've made them all into little writing pages. So I think 2, 4, 6, 8. I think you get 10 on here. So we've got 10 beautiful writing pages, which I've distressed the edges on here. So they're absolutely gorgeous. So we've got 10 of those. And then I've got lovely envelopes. Look, I made some beautiful envelopes with the papers as well. So we've got envelopes, so it's almost like it is like a writing set really. So it's a really good journaling set. So we've got 5 beautiful envelopes, oops, upside down, made from the papers. I just love them, absolutely love them. Oops, there we go. I've actually printed them on tea stain paper, so it's making them look a little bit more shabby. Obviously you don't have to, you can just print them on just plain paper, white paper, but I do tend to print on a lot of my stuff on tea stain paper, so I think they are just gorgeous. So we've got 5 envelopes and we've got 10 sheets here, so you can put 2 sheets, 2 writing sheets in each envelope. And it's a nice little flip out to keep all your little bits and pieces in. So I absolutely love this little folder, I really, really do. So these all just try and make it all neat and tidy. Let's go this way, like that. And then lovely, the papers are just gorgeous. So these just go in here like that, fit in top. I've made a little lace pocket there with a little bit of seam binding on here, which is lovely. And this is seam binding is what I dyed with grapes, and I think it's come out such a beautiful colour. Very similar, I've got an ink pad as well, distress ink pad, which is very, very similar to what the grapes came out like. But I've got some more grapes, so I'm going to dye some more seam binding as well. But this kit is absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, love it, love it. So I've got lots of bits and pieces left over, so I will be using those papers in different projects as well. So there we go guys, I hope you like what I've made. It is a beautiful kit. I'm going to pop all the links to Stephanie's Etsy shop below, and the link to the papers as well, because they are just absolutely gorgeous. So there we go guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and please join me for my next video. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.